Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is we are going to deal the problems in the exercise 11.3. In the previous video, we have learned the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So let us have a brief look onto the complementary angles. For sine 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta, tan 90 minus theta, cosec 90 minus theta, sec 90 minus theta, cosec theta, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So using these complementary angles, we are going to solve the problems which are there in the exercise 11.3. Now let us do a problem regarding first one. Evaluate. The problem is tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. Okay, so this is the problem. Now children, you have a small hint here. Now it is in the numerator and the denominator. To cancel numerator and the denominator, the ratio should be the same. That means either numerator and denominator should be tan or cot. So here you are having numerator tan and in the denominator cot. So make any one of the trigonometric ratio as either tan or cot. Now let us go for tan. We will make tan 36 to change as cot. Now what is that? Tan 36 can be written as how? Let us see the complementary angles. Tan, in the tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. That is tan, very easily, tan 90 minus, what you have to write? Instead of theta, you take the denominator value. So 54 degrees. So 90 minus 54, it is 36. Now tan 90 minus, so this part is, we are going to consider is as theta. So this part is nothing but, we are considering it as theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So here cot theta means what? 54. Okay, so tan 36 degrees have been converted into cot 54. Now you write down tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. So tan 36 can be written as cot 54 by cot 54. So same thing, it is 1. So the solution is 1. Did you understand? Now if you want to change the denominator, cot can be changed into tan. So again you will be getting the same solution. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now let us move for another mode of problem. So let us take here, I am taking second one. What is that? Cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. Okay, same problem. Convert cos as sin or sin as cos. So it is easy. Here I am taking cos 12. That is cos 90 minus. So which value you have to take here? This value 78. 90 minus 78 is 12. So cos 90 minus theta. This one you have to consider it as theta. So cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So what is here? Sin theta is how much? 78. Okay. Now let us substitute here. Cos 12 minus sin 78. Cos 12 is how much? Sin 78 minus sin 78 degrees. This one cancelling. Answer is 0. Is it, children? Done? Okay. Did you understand here? Okay, very good. Now let us move for here we have done division, subtraction, and let us go for multiplication. Multiplication means I am moving to the fourth problem. That is sin 15 degrees and cosec 75 degrees. Sec 75 degrees. Okay. Now you can take here. Let us take either sin or sec. So let us take sin only. Sin 15 degrees Means what I am writing here, sine 90 minus, what you have to take here, 75. 90 minus 75 is 15. So as we all know, this is nothing but theta. This is theta. That means sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. That is cos 75 degrees. So here I am writing the problem. Sine 15 into sec 75. Sine 15 means cos 75 into sec is the reciprocal of cos, 1 by cos 75. Cos 75, cos 75. So the solution is 1. Like this we can solve the problems. Okay. Now let us move further. So in the first bit there are total 6 bits. I have done 3 bits. Remaining 3 bits you practice. If you get any doubt, just drop your doubts in the comment section. I am going to solve those problems. Now let us move for the second bit. Okay. Now in the second bit, show that tan 48 degrees into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74 is equal to 1. Now if you are going to observe in this problem, there are complementary angles. Complementary means what? Sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees. So 48 plus 42, how much? 90 degrees. 74 plus 16, 90 degrees. So it is better to change tan 48 to this like this and tan 16 to tan 74. Now first of all I am taking here tan 48 is equal to tan 90 minus, so for this one 42. 90 minus 42 is 48. So tan 90 minus, this total thing you have to consider as theta. Previous problems we said na. So this is theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. That means cot 42. Okay. Now tan 16. So tan 90 minus, so just now we have done for 42, now 74. 74. 90 minus 74, 16. So tan 90 minus theta is cot theta is 74. So we are solving the problems of LHS. Okay. Now substitute these values here. What is here? Tan 48 into tan 16 into tan 42 into tan 74. So tan 48 is how much? Cot 42 into tan 16 is cot 74, tan 42, tan 74. So reciprocal of cot is tan. So we can write 1 by tan 42 into 1 by tan 74 into tan 42 into tan 74. Tan 42, tan 42, 74, 74, 1 ones are 1. So 1. So RHS is equal to 1. This is RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. So like this, we are going to solve the problem. In the same model, we are having the second bit. So let us see what is that. Cos 36 into cos 54 minus sin 36 and sin 54 is equal to 0. We have to show that. Okay. Directly we can do here. Cos 36 means cos 90 minus 54. Again here cos 90 minus reciprocal here minus 36 minus sine, you leave it like this only, 36 sine 54. Cos 90 minus theta is sine theta, so sine 54 cos 90 minus theta sine theta sine 36 minus sine 36 sine 54. So both are same, sine 54 sine 36 sine same means it is equal to 0. Therefore LHS is equal to, here we have taken here LHS, and what did we get? RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Like this we can solve the problems. Okay children, if you get any doubt, just post your doubts in the comment section. Okay, now let us move for the next problem. Okay, now third problem. If tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle, then find the value of a. Now what is the given condition here? Tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. Now if you are going to observe here, here it is tan and here it is cot. Now we have to convert either tan to cot or cot to tan. So now let us transfer tan to cot. See here, where does you get tan as a cot? Here, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So what is here? Tan theta is equal to what? Cot 90 minus theta. So here instead of theta we are replacing here tan 2a is equal to cot 90 minus 2a. So substitute theta is equal to 2a. Okay, since I am writing here theta is equal to 2a. So cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Now we can substitute the values. Tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. So tan 2a is nothing but cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. Okay, now these two ratios are equal, means their angles 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. Okay, you take all the similar terms to one side, minus 2a transpose minus a is equal to minus 90 minus 18, that is equal to minus 3a is equal to minus 108. So minus minus cancel, and therefore a is equal to 108 by 3. Therefore a is equal to, how many times? 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18. Therefore the value of a is 36 degrees. So he said here we have to find the value of a. Therefore the value of a is 36. Okay, like this we can find the problem. Now let us move to the another problem, the same way, fourth problem. Okay, if tan a is equal to tan b, if tan a is equal to tan b, then we have to show that a plus b is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, if a and b are acute angles, then prove that a plus b is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, this is the problem. If tan a is equal to tan b, a and b are acute angles, then prove that a plus b is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, same process here we are going to do it here. So tan a is equal to, okay, tan a is equal to, sorry, cot b. Tan a is equal to cot b. Okay, now tan A is equal to cot B. Convert tan as cot or cot to tan. Just now what we have substituted like this here. Therefore, I am taking here cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So here I am taking here tan theta is equal to what? Cot 90 minus theta. So this condition. So tan theta means here instead of theta substitute A. Tan A is equal to cot 90 minus A. So same thing, tan A is equal to cot 90 minus A is equal to cot B. So these two ratios are equal means 90 minus A is equal to B. Therefore, if transpose that side means 90 is equal to A plus B. Therefore, A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. So this is what we have to prove. A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. So what did he said to prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees? Okay. Okay. Now fifth problem. If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. So in the problem itself we had given that A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle. So we know that sum of three interior angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Sum of three angles in a triangle is equal to 180. Now divide the whole equation by 2. Why by 2 means here in the show that we are having divided by 2. So that's why we are taking as 2. That is A by 2. Sorry. So separate here. A plus B plus C by 2 is equal to 180 by 2. So what happens here? You separate here. A plus B is one term and plus C by 2 another term. 180 by 2 is 90. Transpose A plus B by 2, C by 2 to the other side. 90 minus C by 2. Now apply both sides. Here tan ratio. Apply both sides tan ratio. So here what happens here? We are going to get here tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to tan 90 minus C by 2. So here tan A plus B by 2 is equal to, what is the ratio? Tan 90 minus theta. So tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So cot, what is the theta here? C by 2. So this is what we have to prove, that tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. So this is what RHS. Okay. So like this we can prove the given problem very easily. Okay children. Now let us move to the last problem of the exercise, that is problem number 6. Okay. Now express sine 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45 degrees. Children, did you understand? We have to convert these trigonometric ratios between 0 and 45 degrees. That means it should be either 1 to 44 degrees. Okay, that means you have to change. So 75 should be less than 45 and 65 is also should be less than 45 degrees. Okay, if you change like that, that will be the solution for the given problem. So let us hear sine 75 degrees. Sine 75 can be written as, yes, come on, say. Sine 75 can be written as sine 90 minus 15. 90 minus 15 is 75. So sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos theta means 15. Similarly, cos 65 degrees can be written as cos of 90 minus 25. So 90 minus 25 is 65. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So in the place of theta you are having 25. Now sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees is equal to, sin 75 is nothing but cos 15 plus cos 65 is nothing but sin 25. Okay, so like this we can convert the 75 degrees and 65 degrees in terms of 0 and 45. So here cos 15 degrees and sin 25. Here it is nothing but what formulas we are using? Already I have written here. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Here cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Like this we can use all the trigonometric complementary angles in such type of problems. So with this we have completed exercise 11.3. Okay, that's for the topic.